Click on the link below to get price. The Xpower XD85LH commercial LGR dehumidifier is a robust solution for controlling moisture in basements and crawlspaces. This dehumidifier stands out due to its impressive performance and commercial-grade durability, making it an excellent choice for both residential and professional applications. One of the most notable features of the XD85LH is its large capacity, capable of removing up to 85 pints of moisture per day. This is particularly beneficial for damp areas, where traditional dehumidifiers may struggle. The unit operates efficiently, utilizing a powerful, high-performance rotary compressor that ensures consistent moisture removal even in temperatures as low as 33 degrees Fahrenheit. This versatility means it can handle various climates and environments, making it ideal for year-round use. The design is compact and portable, equipped with an ergonomic handle and durable wheels, allowing for easy maneuverability across various settings. Weighing in at about 40 pounds, it's relatively lightweight for a unit of its capacity. The blue finish not only makes it visually appealing but also provides added durability against wear and tear. On the operational side, the XD85LH comes with an intuitive digital display and user-friendly controls that allow for precise humidity settings and monitoring. It features an automatic shut-off function, which is a great safety feature that prevents overflow and potential damage to the unit. Additionally, the built-in pump is a fantastic asset, as it enables continuous drainage for hassle-free operation. Noise levels are surprisingly low, making it suitable for residential use without creating a distracting environment. The XD85LH also boasts energy efficiency, which is crucial for long-term use, helping to minimize electricity bills while maximizing performance. In summary, the Xpower XD85LH commercial LGR dehumidifier is a powerful, efficient, and user-friendly option for those looking to combat excess moisture in challenging environments. Its combination of performance, portability, and user-friendly features makes it a top choice for anyone needing reliable moisture control.